guys, this is what happened. We had planned to explore an abandoned amusement park. Mind you, we did, but that video is trash. So this is what happened. We ended up spending the night in Kentucky. We tried so hard to find another place, but we finally gave up, gave into our tiredness. We went to sleep in a Walmart parking lot. Not the best sleep I've ever had, but I was determined to find somewhere to explore. So we went upstate from Kentucky to Indiana. We went about halfway in the middle, just west of Indianapolis, and we found Wolf Cave at McCormick Creek State Park. Now, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do your thing. Don't be shy. You know what it is. Real Talk Studio. And here we go. We're just going to dive right into it. Alright guys, here we are at Wolf Cave. It's kind of mid-Indiana. It's like west of Indianapolis.
With a jerry-rigged fucking selfie stick.
Hey, I zip-tied my my camera stick thing. Selfie stick. So it wouldn't fall off because I had that happen.
Did it fall off? Damn, that's brutal.
You know what? Content, Jake. Content. Jesus. Alright, yeah, we spent the night in Kentucky last night. In a car. In a Walmart parking lot, in a car. It was actually it's actually pretty great. Not gonna lie.
Definitely fucking hollow. If I didn't have my bag on, I'd probably fit in the bitch. Might have it on.
No balls, do it.
Maybe take it off the hat. Now quick, let me kick it.
Dude, there's a spider right by your hand.
Might have it.
Move him.
I can't really move my legs.
It's a tree. Oh no. Oh no.
So I would have left.
Jesus, Jake. Trying to get scenery. Do it.
That's scenery. Oh.
You have to. We're golden. Yeah, and this bed is pretty dry, so I'm assuming the cave will be too.
Hey, a fucking waterfall we found.
Holy shit, dude, this thing is huge. And Jake's bigger.
Jake's big.
Are you serious? Oh god, there's the cave, guys. It's right there. Oh! Oh! Ah! No, guys, that is not the cave. That is not the cave I have been. That actually might be the cave. That is
It might actually be.
that is the cave. That is the cave. Guys, we found the cave. Alright guys, we just made it to the cave and here we are. It looks really, really cool. It kind of sucked we had to sleep in a car last night, but here we are. Content, content, content. Let's go. Alright, headlamp on. Alright. We are we're golden. All right, I'm gonna get my flashlight down and I'll be right back.
Just don't open up much more. Yeah, I know.
Are you stuck? Put my Snapchat over there, guys. If anyone wants to come and find it.
Hell, it fucking hurts. Opening up here. That does not really open up.
All right, we're about to enter the cave. Hold on. All right, guys, here we go. We gotta crawl a little bit.
That was the descent.
Oh shit, dude. Okay, look up, Jake. Look up.
What?
Look up. There is 30 fucking spiders above me, Jake.
Oh, fuck. Can you go? Yeah, let's continue going, Jesse.
Oh, dude, they're all around the ceiling above you. Fuck this. Fuck that. Fuck whatever that is.
That's it.
That's it?
I'm as full as I can go.
Are you serious? You can do there.
Get back up real quick and
You turn
see
around.
if you can pass me.
Hey, Jake. We went to a cave. Dude, there are spiders everywhere in here, dude. There's one right by your leg, Jake.
Yeah, no, I'm not sure if we can fit through. Oh no, I mean this. Yeah. See, it's getting older than me and Zach though, so.
Yeah, dude, no.
Yeah, we might be able to. How does it open up?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. How far does it open up at?
I mean, it's narrow again, but I mean, I'm able to fit.
Yeah, but you're all skinny over me and Zach.
Yeah, dude, I can't even fit, bro. Like, dead ass.
But this cave is safe. All right. Here, if it helps, hold on. Back out. Hand me your backpack. I'm skinnier. I'll be able to fit with it. I already had to help Jesse take his off. I took mine off specifically for this. Okay. All right.
Dude, I literally fucking can't, dude. Like,
There you go. And then it's gonna eventually open up right here, where you can turn around and fit through. See? There we go. There we go. I'm doing this shit backwards. All right. Now you can kind of like hunch over. It's like just go sideways like this. Crab walk. Okay.
alright, dude.
You can do this. I got your bag.
Thank you, bro.
Yes. We're
Little
not
sketch.
fucking turning around. It's not fucking happening.
Where's Jesse?
Jesse's up here in this opening that I found. Yep. There you go. Okay. Now, this is gonna be the tricky spot.
Did Jesse get through it?
Yes. You got through this. Without me helping him too. Okay?
Oh, you helped a little, you took me back.
Well, yeah, but alright, Zach, there's water right here.
Okay.
You're gonna wanna put your arms and hands on these ledges.
Okay.
Put your foot on this log.
Okay.
Watch how I'm doing this. Like I'm going sideways so I can fit through.
Alright, dude.
Alright? And your feet can stay on that log. And just pinch through. This is the spot that Jesse struggled with for a second, but we got him through.
You just have to duck underneath that ledge.
Alright guys, I'm literally...
I can take the camera now.
Okay.
See? Look at that, it actually fucking opens up in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see white.
Are we leaving our bags right here?
Yeah, you guys want to get through on this side here?
Hey, is someone coming in the cave? Hello?
Yeah, see, I don't think we're gonna get through that.
I heard voices though.
Me too.
Alright, well.
Wait, can you army crawl, Jake?
Yeah, dude, I can actually crawl through this.
Do you think I can?
If you're not afraid of getting wet, that's what's gonna happen. I mean,
Alright. Jesse,
Yeah?
buddy, you need to move forward. Don't ask me why, move forward. Just move forward and get down there, okay? There was a spider. You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Do you have all the bags?
No.
Mind go getting all the bags?
I'm not even that wet.
Yeah.
Can you go grab all bags?
Jake,
Huh?
wait, can you?
Can you guys go back grab the bags so I can...
I have my bag.
I didn't know.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. They're right there.
Yeah, I know.
You okay to do it?
What's that? Spider.
Oh,
That's
it was up there. I killed it.
Because I'm afraid of that.
I know. I killed it. But you're not going to touch any spiders because there's none right there.
Oh, there's quite a few in that
I mean,
open
yeah.
area that we were at.
But, come on, bro. I face my fear.
There's actually a bigger opening, bro.
Yeah?
Right here.
All right. Oh.
Hi! You wanted to crawl here as much as I did.
Hey, bro. Take my bag.
Yeah, I'll take your bag.
Wait, should I crawl through that then?
Yes, I definitely suggest crawling through this here. Come on. We're gonna move some of the rocks. That way you're not like smacking your knees up.
I appreciate you, Jake.
Yeah, we're getting you through this motherfucker.
All right. But I'm sorry, Jake. But...
I mean, you're sorry. Sorry for what? You can keep doing this. Yeah, dude, it's like we're open.
Here, videotape me doing this. Okay. Okay, guys, I am literally balls deep in a cave right now. You know what it is, Real Talk Studios.
All right, Jesse, your turn. Hand me the bags. Take this.
All right, guys, we made it through the cave. That was amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's not over yet, though.
Right,
comment somewhere up where. What?
Let's go back through.
You're out of your mind.
Determining from where we are in the park, we have no clue.
Guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna have to climb up and get a better shot for you.
I wouldn't go that way, Jack.
I'm getting a shot for content. All right, guys, look at this. Autofocus is on. Guys, this is spectacular. This is the kind of stuff that I live for, pushing through my fears to get to. This is all made by acid rain over a long period of time. Shout out to the Wolf Caves. Whew. That was deep.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that way, Bob. That's slicker than hell.
Oh, I know.
Here we are, guys.
We are currently going farther. Underneath. Dude, those spiders were huge.
Yeah, that's why I was like, nope.
I just wanted to keep going, dude. I didn't even...
But holy shit, we made it all the way through. Yeah. We actually made it all the way through that damn
So was that worth it, Jake?
Yeah.
Come on, dude. That was worth it.
It's sad to say that the one in Bedford was better.
Yeah.
'Cause that bitch was actually like crazy good.
Dude, that was awesome. We made it through the entire cave.
Yeah, well, doesn't it make you want to make it through another cave?
Oh yeah, it does. All right, guys, we're about
What
to.
do we have next weekend for that?
That crawl was
We are going
hellacious
somewhere else
though.
next week. And we'll see you guys
I'm
there.
definitely gonna have to watch the series.
We're rolling. All right.
Lame. Alright, I'm done now. On that note.
All right, guys. Well, here we are. We just went through Wolf Cave. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell if you want to see more content. Yeah, suck dick, like Jake said. You know, only if you're gay or a man or female. You know, we can't be controversial on this channel. Yeah, right. Whatever you want to be, you be. If you want to be an explorer, do it. If you're interested in coming with us, and
Want to be a crackhead? Do it.
yep, you just hit my line. You know what it is. All right. I hid some things in the cave if you want to go and find them. This is Wolf Cave in Indiana. It's at a state park, so you know what it is. All right, guys, look at that beautiful view. And on that note, I will see you when I get home.
It's a long road until we hit home. Go on tours and book shows, but who knows? It could be us, bro. 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 Who knows? It's a long road until we hit home and go on tours and book shows, but who knows? It could be us, bro. It could be us, bro. It could be us, bro. Who knows? You couldn't tell fake if it was right in front of you.